Check mic. Alright, please share the video. Paki-share po. Let's go! Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Magandang gabi po. Welcome to another day of the Daily Grind. It's a beautiful Thursday evening po sa inyo lahat. Hopefully your day went well. Kaso PSEi, the day did not go well. Let me share my screen. Update tayo sa PSEi. Ayan po, PSEi did a massive drop today. This day, kanina hanggang hapon. Engulfing bearish candlestick right there. Negative 1.50% and net foreign selling po tayo ng 1.47 or 1.47 billion to be exact. Should I say, hindi. Tagal na tayo pinapanood ng market. I told you the market is still bearish. Even yesterday with the breakout, I told you it's still bearish with the net foreign selling pa rin na signals natin. And there it is, nagbentahan pa rin because the buying isn't enough, right? Tell you the truth. Many got excited, na-excite yung iba kasi nag-breakout, etc. But somehow, signals are there. Yung demographics kasi ng country natin ngayon, it's not really for bullish position just yet because election is coming up. I keep repeating this one. Tapos yung mga COVID uncertainties pa. We did do well in the yesterday sa COVID counts natin. I think that was the catalyst really to really propel this one up. Pero it's not enough at all, right? There's still not enough money coming into the market to really lift the market over 7,000. I could be wrong. Hopefully, pullback lang ito and then mag-break out ulit and then sustain the next time. Then again, you should not be surprised because we were at resistance levels, diba? So hopefully, tama yung mga ginagawa niyo sa trading nyo. And with that, please share this video. Pag-share po itong video na ito, little request from my end. Hopefully, I've earned this favor from you guys. Please share this video. Pag-share sa mga friends niyo, to your relatives, to your trading groups. If you have any trading groups out there, please help the Daily Grind. Please help StockSed. Please help me and Financial Freedom 101 with my goal to really educate more Filipinos with their stock market and trading journey. Hindi lang sa stock market, kundi investing journey. Right? Maraming Pilipino, hindi naman, only less than 1% ang gusto magsimula. Sa kakaunti na yon, marami pang tumitigil kasi mali-mali ang ginagawa nila and they tend to quit and that's bad, diba? And we want to help yung kakarampot na yan. That's why the Daily Grind is here. Every day, halos araw-araw yan, bigyan natin sila ng free lessons and guide their stock market journey. And with that, mas magiging effective po ito if ever you help me share this video. Trading groups ninyo, if you have any trading groups out there, please share this one. Thank you so much. Right, so let's go to the comments. Kaya lang. And I'm not sure if, let me just double check if nagpe-play yung background music natin. Alright, yeah. Kasi pinatay ko siya sa loob ng earphones ko, so I won't be able to hear the background music, but you should be able to hear it. Alright. Meron mga nagtatanong sa akin dati about my isa sa mga ginagamit ko for the when I stream. I just want to share this to you guys. This microphone is Elgato Wavelink and I can control everything with this app. Yan. All right. This is free. This is a free app if you buy this microphone. Like for example, I can control the music volume right here. Hindi ko lang maririnig kasi naka-off sa headphones ko pero sa stream naririnig nyo. So I can individually control all the audio in my stream, right? Yung microphone dito, pwede ko i-mute sa headphones ko and maybe increase the volume, etc. But yeah, so mga laro ko or my Discord, kung gusto ko marinig ng mga tao or hindi, or I can lower the volume. So ang ganda na software na yan, it's free with this microphone. Hindi naman kamahalan tong microphone na to. It's around 6,000 pesos. It's expensive, yes. Pero if you compare it to other streaming microphones out there with the software that it provides, sobrang sulit. Right, so I would say it's not expensive for the thing that it can do, right? Anyways, moving forward, Rowena, magandang gabi. Right, let me just go close up. Ay nga pala, update tayo. Update kasi, 198% na tayo, 0.55%. There are positions that are still red on Izanagi, pero pag nag-reversal yan, this should boost our overall results. Like this one right here, nung nag-close ng positions, it closed from 195 to 175 to 190. We're still at 198.55%. 1.5% more, and we are already up 200% in just 10 months. And sa 10 months na yan, wala akong ginawa. Right? This is bot trading, ladies and gentlemen. Sa simula, mag-setup tayo ng bot ninyo and let the bot do the trading itself. Makita niyo po yan. Wala pa akong ginagawa dito sa trades nito. It is the bot that's trading for me, and it's already up 200% in 10 months. Mind you, right? 200% looks good. Pero, sounds and looks good. Pero, dapat kaya nyo rin po ang drawdown. And this is the risk to reward ratio when it comes to trading. And yung nakita nyo yung parang, how much is your risk appetite? Ito yung pula, ito yung green, malaki, diba? Tas, ito yung pula, 42%. And the green is this one right here. Okay? So, 42%, that means if you have 100K at a certain point, you lost 42,000 pesos. If you can risk that for this amount of exchange, then go ahead. If you have 50K, kung kaya nyo po mawala muna yung 50% niyan, because that's the risk, 25,000, you can do this, right? So, this is bot trading. This is technically passive income already for me, okay? So, hopefully, nagsimula na kayo sa Izanagi. Ano pa hinihintay ninyo, di ba? Let me just open my other Izanagi account. Right here? No, not that one. Not that one. Iza. Ito naman yung Izanagi account, yung micro account na ginawa namin for Izanagi. They started July 9. It's already up 47.16%. That's also good. 47% and drawdown 15% kasi kakasimula pa lang. July 9 nagsimula, 3 months, 50%. That's amazing. Right? Hindi ko ina-hype. This is under MyFX book po yan. Alright? MyFX book, this is verified account. Yan. Verified po yung account na yan, yung records na yan, yung results na yan. Right? So, hopefully, magsimula na kayo sa Izanagi, and also Valkyrie has been doing well. Hopefully, you get into Valkyrie also. Right? Let me go to the comments. I just really wanted to show that to you guys because ang goal ko is around 200%. I was expecting na next year ko pa ma-reach yung 200%. I was expecting to reach it in 10 months. But that is good. Sobrang ganda ng sobrang ganda. Oh, yung Axie. Ito yung mga Axies. Right? Nag-shopping na kami ng Axies because these bad boys are gonna go live tomorrow and it's gonna start making money for us. Sa mga nag-sponsor, congratulations. Thank you so much for helping. Please know that what do you call this? You're helping someone, right? Meron kayong natutulungan na individual who's gonna be playing the Axis for you. And then we share profits. And congratulations. Thank you so much, right? Nakatulong na kayo. And may profits pa, diba? So these Axis are gonna be going live tomorrow. Meron magla-live for today and magsisimula na mag-income for today. So if ever you want to, kung ayaw niyo yung sakit ng ulo ng Axie but you want to diversify into it, send me a message. I can give you a deal na kami na ng group namin magmamanage ng mga Axis ninyo. Send me a message lang and then take profit share na lang tayo para wala na kayo sakit sa ulo. Anyways, Rowena Silagan, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening po, Gilier Villaflor. In this channel, sa Daily Grind, we talk about making money, right? We are gonna be making money. Anyways, Gilier Villaflor, good evening po, Sir Lloyd. Is it a good buying opportunity for Converge, or is this the beginning of a new trend? Thank you. Let's check that out. Okay ba ang audio natin? Napababa ko ba? Yes. Asa na yan? Converge. Show my screen. Converge. Ano ba ang gawin ng Converge kanina? Let me just load my chart layout first. Load chart layout. Mag-manage lang po ba kayo, sir? Or lalaro din kayo na Axis? I don't have time to play it. Right? I'm gonna be managing the players and the axes themselves and the income. Ako na po bahala reporting sa inyo, magkano yung income, ganito ganyan, and I'm gonna be the one encouraging the players, bakit ganito lang performance mo for today. Teach them in the beginning paano maglaro ng axie, the securities and etc. Lahat na sakit ng ulo ng management, right? Hindi ako maglalaro. I can play, but I don't think kaya ng oras ko. So I'd rather have someone play it, makatulong pa ako, mabigyan ko pa siya ng income, di ba? Anyways, pero send me a message, right? Ako po magmamanage. So you can trust me. Lloyd, chart layout. Converge was the question earlier. Right, tignan natin, CNVRG was on a massive trend and boom, wala. And that's the reason why I told you guys, huwag nyo na po habulin yan sa taas. Negative 14.77%. In just one day, it wiped out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a week worth gain. So kung pumasok kayo dyan, na-hype kayo sa taas, nakinig kayo sa mga ibang mga nagsasabi sa inyo dyan, I told you not to get in and you should have been safe. And that is a bearish candle right there. No buy zone. Most probably this will scare off a lot of people. Let's see if ever mag-sustain to ng MA20. If you still really want to trade this one, at least man lang nag-pullback na para sa inyo, right? Kung mag-green yan, pwede nyo sabayan kasi overall the trend is still there. MA20, I still respect that. If you really wanted to trade this one out, yan na yung opportunity ninyo. If this goes green, that's gonna be your entry point and cut loss lang just in case mag-break ng MA20. Use MA20 as your support for this one. But still, for me, not my kind of trade. This is still overall up there. Right? I'm a position trader. I tell you to go into dips and don't we wait for it to stabilize before you want to get in. So for me, it's not a trade. Right? For short-term traders, if you're a short-term trader, yeah, you can bounce that and chupit lang. You can catch the bounce for Converge just in case it bounces tomorrow. Okay? So it might be a new downtrend. I can't really say. Wag natin pangunahan ng markets. Overall, the trend, the MA20 is still intact. So the trend is still there. It's just that laki ng sell-off. Right? That's about time. It's about time to sell Converge kasi. Diba? Junior Aquino, good evening. Sir Lloyd, Ishi Marimat, magandang gabi. Andrew Caracas, good evening. Then, Ces Navales, good evening. Sir Lloyd, good evening rin po. Ces Navales, Sir, sino po ba? Sir, ano po ba yung locked up shares ni Converge sa disclosure? Is this the reason sell-off kanina? Thanks, sir. No, it's not. Meron kasi mga shares na I haven't read the full disclosure, pero may mga shares na linalock up, maybe bigay nyo kay custodian, ganito ganyan. May mga custodian kasi ng mga brokerages, especially si Converge na pwede na siya i-trade sa other countries. Let's say for example, eToro is a custodian, kaya kaya nila ng CFDs, di ba? So technically, binigyan din sila ng itong stocks na nakalock sa kanila. Pwede pong ganon. I haven't read anong lock-up ba yun, but those are usually good. It's not a problem. Sell-off lang talaga for Converge. Alexis Lopez, mag-manage ka ba? Nabasa natin to. More power. Thank you so much, Junior Aquino sa 50 stars. Nancy Catilo, sir. FB, Apple, Google, sa Global, check po. Alright, sure thing. Alright. Nancy Catilo wants to check out FB. Kamusta ba si FB? Nag-bounce na ba? No, not this FB. Facebook Incorporated. Right. So still the downtrend is intact. No engulfing patterns just yet, so I can't say if it's a reversal already. Pero listan nyo na to. Pwede nyo tong abangan. Right? Mamaya na. For now, it's not yet a buy for it. Apple though, tingnan natin si Apple. Stabilized na ba si Apple? Mukhang okay na si Apple. That's a buy right there. Pwede nyo na po ito simulan bodegahin si Apple. I would say yes. Congratulations. Good find right here. This is from Nancy. Gillier, Villaflor, thank you, Sir Lloyd. You're welcome. Irene Suzuki, good evening. Jacqueline Villanueva. Hi, sir. Company po ba si PHA? Good company po ba si PHA? Pwede na po bang pasukin? Yes po. Yeah, technically, yeah, it's a good company, right? PHA is a good company. It's just that it is kind of expensive. Umakyat siya doon sa SquidPay, this one right here. Pero kahit good company, magda-downtrend naman po talaga. But, yeah. Still on a downtrend, I won't say it's still a buy just yet. Even, I told you, ayoko muna na i-long term muna tong position na to kasi this was overhyped right here. Ito kasi presyo nito sobrang akyat. Sobra yan. It did buy SquidPay, pero Eto inakyat for just a Squid Pay purchase partnership right there, 1,488. It's impossible. Kahit na sabihin mo nagdoble yung value ng company when it bought Squid Pay, nasa 100% lang sana yung gains, but this is 148. That's super inflated right there. So it's still expensive at this point. I still won't recommend it for long term just yet. Right? That's the reason why, sabi ko sa inyo, if you wanna trade this one out, yes, there's a support right there, pero strict lang cut loss. I-cut loss niyo po dyan in case na mag-break ng support because it's still overpriced as a company. Okay? It's a good company, it's just overpriced. My Medrano, Jomart, ingat lang, Jacqueline. I'm not judging you. Baka sinabi mo na okay ba siya for long term kasi naipit ka. It's not a good trading strategy, right? Your initial plan was a trading. I'm not saying you're at this position, pero marami pong newbies na ganito na, uy, iti-trade ko to. Tapos pag naipit na, hindi naman cut loss, ang sakit na i-cut loss, and then it's called forced investor, and you force yourself to go investor. You look for people who will confide with your decision. Maybe ask me, maganda ba siya long term na lang? And ang mangyayari dyan is I gave you false hope, right? So, kasi hindi kasi natin alam ano mangyayari in the future. I don't really want to do that. So, hopefully, this is not your situation. Para sa mga nandyan na situation, don't do that, right? Always follow. Let it be an expensive lesson for you guys. Mas maganda if i-cut loss nyo na lang yan and then ilipat nyo po sa isang stock na maganda tsaka mura pa. Ang dami natin nahahanap dyan everyday, di ba? Jomart, May Medrano, thank you for tagging. Jomart, Bobby Shelby, good evening. First, po, Sir Lloyd, Ada po, Cardano, Ada, USD, T. Right. Okay naman sila ngayon kasi sumasabay kay Bitcoin. I told you, pag nag-rally si Bitcoin, pasukin nyo na to. And there it is. Huli si Ada umakyat, pero hopefully kinuha nyo to. Kasi, yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, if Bitcoin rallies, follow nyo yung ibang mga major currencies kasi magpa-follow yun ang trend. When Bitcoin went up, eto na si Cardano, umaakyat na. That's a buy right there for ADA. Good find? Buti hindi pa lumilipad si ADA. Alright, BTC at 54K, ETH at 3.5, BNB at 48, ADA 227, up crypto. O nga eh. I had to buy Ethereum kanina. Meron pa tayong natitira na Ethereum. Pero pambili natin ng Axie yan. Hindi pa ako tapos sa pagbibili ng mga Axies. So I did buy Ethereum earlier, but it's not for long term because gagamitin ko rin naman kaagad. Ganito yan if ever magbabay kayo ng Ethereum because you're gonna be using it, it doesn't matter kahit mahal sa Ethereum or not. Doesn't really matter, right? Kasi gagamitin nyo rin naman kaagad something that costs $200 will not really go up in price just because Ethereum or Bitcoin went up, right? So, huwag kayong mag-alala if ever bumili kayo ng Ethereum because you're gonna be using it. Maybe you're gonna be building your own Axie in the future. It doesn't matter. Kahit lumipad po yan sa Ethereum. Maganda lang na if ever nabili nyo sa baba tapos you hold it for a bit, mas makakatipid ka naman pang ganon. Pero kung Ethereum lang tapos ubusin mo rin yan in one time, it's the same value, right? It doesn't matter. Congratulations sa mga nag-crypto dyan, especially Junior Aquino. May year-to-date bang ni-release ang MP2 na profit? If not, normally, kailan po ang cut-off? Every December pa. Right? May year-to-date bang nire-release ang MP2 na profit? If not, normally, kailan po ba yung cut-off? Yeah, December yung usually na cut-off. Nagre-release sila around April. Yes, correct me if I'm wrong. I'll check my facts. Right? Ang alam ko sa April yun eh. But yeah. CDC po, this is from Philip Nicoleta. Let's go for CDC. CDC, pag nag-breakout lang to, sa kanyo pasukin. You don't really have to buy the support. Pero ang ganda ng support, pero malapit lang kasi resistance. Mas bali pa mag-breakout yan kaysa dun kaysa support. Alright? Deljon Maumay, blessed evening po sir. Asen po from Ma'am Amy. Let's check out Asen. Alright, Asen, way up there. Bearish signals. Stay away from it. Right? Stay away from it. It's not a trade up there. Norman Magat, MWC coach. Let's check out MWC. Right. Si MWC ng 52-week high to di ba? A 52-week high right now. We are in no buy zones, ladies and gentlemen. That's already way expensive up there. Kung gusto nyo po, plot your trend line. Pag nag-pullback, alam nyo saan sasaluin. Kung gusto nyo makisabay sa trend. Okay? But it's up there. No buy zone. Jacqueline Villanueva, SSI, meron pa pala. Norman Magat is asking about SSI. Let's check out SSI. SSI breakout. That's a buy. Good find. Galing. Next for SSI is dito. Right, Converge. Sabi ko sa inyo, huwag nyo pasukin. Kung pinasok nyo, naipit kayo. Converge is still not for me. I'm a position trader. It's not a position for me up there. Pero Converge is resting at, unahin ko na muna si dito ha. So si dito, there it is. Next green, buti naman at binalikan pa kayo ni dito. 4.78 yung negative ngayon. Next green is gonna be your buy. Buy some more if ever bumaba pa. Bodegahin nyo na to. Right? That's for dito. Balikan natin sa Converge. Converge is resting at MA20. Pag nag-green yan, short-term trade. If you're a short-term trader, momentum, pwede nyo sabayan yung bounce sa MA20. Kung mag-bounce man, then cut loss lang below that. For a position traders, is trade right here. Wilcon Sir, thanks. Paano napasama sa index si Wilcon? Also DNL, may news daw po. Kasi, usually kasi they look for stable companies that have been doing well, right? And especially sa amount na sa presyo niya, usually lumalaki yung lumalaki yung tawag nito, company value. And Wilcon has been doing well with the prices, so it went up as compared to FGen na nasa baba. So, yeah, that was expected. Okay pa rin naman sa FGen, technically. Di ba si FGen magde-delist na? Am I right? Si FGen ba yung magde-delist? And that's the reason why we're seeing this drop. I'm not sure. What caused this gap up? Was it the delisting, the gap up, itong gap up na to? I can't remember why. Right? I think that's one of the reason. I haven't been really following PSEi. Technically, ang ginagawa natin dito is more about technical analysis, and to tell you honestly, ang fino-follow ko lang ng fundamentals are the companies that I am invested in. Why? Because I am focusing on Forex. We placed so much time in creating the bots, and it has been doing well for us. I'm still studying Forex even until now, yung trends niya, etc., what are the signals, etc., na pwede nating tignan. And that's the reason why hindi na ako nakaka-focus sa PSEi, right? Because Forex ang ganda. Bakit kay Forex? Especially if you focus on isang pair lang, ang dali tignan, right? Hindi compared to PSEi na kailangan mo pa sundan ang fundamentals and the news ng maraming companies, etc. Tas marami pang mga whales, tas mga naglalaro sa market. It's a hassle, right? Masakit sa ulo. Ang dami mong babantayan. Sa Forex, hindi, right? It's the economy of a country. Tapos isa-isahin mo lang, right? Let's say for example, kung employment rate nila ang tingnan ang lalabas na 'yon. Kung maganda yung employment rate nila, usually mag-uptrend 'yan. If ever bumaba yung what you call this, employment rate, babagsak. Marami pang factors, pero ulit-ulit lang, so mas predictable, mas maganda i-trade ang ganun. That's why I love Forex better. This is Izanagi. This is the public account where I showed the amount from $500, naging $577 already. That's $77 gain. 10.36% gain na po dito sa account na to. Started August 22. So, sobrang bilis, di ba? Congratulations sa mga nag-Izanagi, sumabay sa akin. With this account, meron ng Valkyrie dito. The Valkyrie account is 9.83 already. This started from July 19. Mas conservative naman to, pero that's 9.83 gains in just 3 months. July, August, September, October. Yeah, 3 months. That's still not bad, right? Compare nyo lagay nyo lang sa bangko. So that's the reason why we focus on this. Mas predictable ang market. If ever chupitero ka, stay away from those news, right? Tip ko sa inyo yung ginawa namin tong bot na ito. We stay away from the news. Kasi tendency kasi sa news, nagsi-slippage. Slippage meaning, pwede siya mag-gap up, pwede siya mag-gap down. Pag nag-gap down yan, sobrang laki ng losses mo kasi hindi mo masa-stop loss. Kahit i-stop loss man ng negative 10%, pag nag-gap down yun ng 20% or 30% worse, pag nag-40% drop, gap down, 40% yung drop mo, mawawala ka agad. So, we avoid the news. If ever, chupitero kayo, if ever, gusto niyo maganda na trade at mag-aabang talaga kayo sa market, pwede niyo po abangan yung news na yon, tapos let it create a trend, and then sa pullback, sabayan nyo. Pwede rin ganun strategy sa Forex. But yeah, yung bot na settings namin is we avoid the news kasi pag nag-trade ka, nag-open ka ng position before the news pops out, you're gonna be whipped, right? Pwede maubos ang pera niyo pag ganun, right? DNL is still a good company, right? Wilcon, sir, thanks. Wilcon, let's check out Wilcon. It's 8:29, 8:30. Let's stop with Ces Navales lang muna. Punta tayo sa YouTube, right? Gusto ko puntahan rin ang mga nanonood sa YouTube. Good evening sa inyo dyan. We have 47 viewers. Amazing. Thank you so much. Hopefully na-share niyo yung video. Kung hindi pa, pwede niyo pa i-share. Right? Benedict, mayong gabi. Sir Lloyd Dice, good evening. Raul Tumala, good evening. Sir Lloyd, ABS Green, please. Thank you from Riyadh. Magandang gabi sa inyo dyan. Let's check out ABS CBN. ABS. Right, ABS, pullback. Right, so, trend lines natin dito. So, just plot your trend line. Alam nyo saan sasabayan yan si ABS CBN. Pero that's too, what you call this? That's too volatile up there. I will stay away from it personally. So, I don't like that. Si Green naman, kamusta si Green Energy? Nasa supports pa rin si Green, di ba? Right, si Green, after the engulfing pattern, nag-support na? I would say yes. This is a good position for Green. Trade nyo lang to. If ever gusto nyo pasukin, that's a buy. Cut loss below that support. Okay. Move forward. Magandang hapon dyan sa inyo from Riyadh. Sa Riyadh. Jao CM, good evening Sir Lloyd. Break muna sa international. May daily grind pa. Dice Izanagi profit ko Sir Lloyd. 6 USD starting last Monday lang. Magkano yung capital mo Dice? Right? $6 agad. Last Monday lang nagsimula. Right, that's good. Profits ka agad. Well, not bad, di ba? Nerf, 16. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. I have started my Izanagi already. Alright, congratulations, man. Jokat, good evening. Thoughts on ADA and FTM? ADA is a buy. FTM, tignan natin si FTM. Phantom, right? Technical analysis natin. Resistance tayo, mga pre. I will stay away from that. Adjust TV, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pa-check po ng Axis, USDT. Axis should be pulling back already. Sobrang lakas kasi ng climb yan. Still on a pullback right now si Axis. Right, sobrang mahal na ng Axis ngayon. Right, you need Axis to breed Axis. Right? So, kind of expensive right now. That's the reason why binilisan ko yung Axie purchases. Kasi because of this price skyrocketing right here, it's gonna be much more expensive to breed Axis, right? So baka magmahal yung mga Axis. So yun, sabi ko sa inyo last week pa, it's the best time to start getting into Axie if you had plans before. That's the reversal that we're looking for. This is a higher high and higher low already. SLP is a buy, right? So, and buy it is. Hindi pa kami tapos ang shopping ng Axie. But these guys who should be live this tomorrow. So magsisimula na magbagawa natin ng pera. There are already scholars lined up for these bad boys right here. So if ever, right? If ever gusto niyo po na mag-sponsor din, pero ayaw niyo sakit sa ulo, ako na pabahala. Usap tayo. Right? A good Axie team right now is at around 60,000 pesos. And then yeah, I'll let you know about the details once you send me a message sa Financial Freedom 101. Send nyo sa Financial Freedom 101. Kasi ako yung andon. Dito sa Stockstead, hindi lang po ako dito sa Stockstead. Andyan sila Kuya Bonnie, sila Kapayaman Bonnie, Kapayaman Arnel, and the others, sila Pia. So, hindi po kasi personal sa akin yung Stockstead. Yet, I just handle the daily grind. Right, so hopefully you will partner up with me. If ever you do, I tell you guys, marami tayong matutulungan ng Filipino din. And ako na bahala mag-manage. Wala nang sakit sa ulo. Right? If ever gusto niyo mag-diversify into NFTs but you don't like the headache or wala kayong oras, ako na bahala. GG Miares, good evening. Luna, right? Anong tingin po kanina sa galaw ni Wilcon, sir? Mukhang maraming inipit sa taas kanina. O nga right? That's the reason why I tell you guys. Kahapon, sabi ko sa inyo, yes, magandang news kay Wilcon, but that's not a trade position right there. Kanina, nag-gap up, lumakyat, ang daming nakasabay at na-hype, and investor na sila ngayon kay Wilcon. So, I will stay away from it. Right? Stay away from it, please. Please, please. Huwag kayo maiinggit or anything, please. Stay away from it. Yun lang. Kung gusto niyo magpatuloy yung journey niyo sa stock market, do the right thing. Huwag kayo maiinggit dyan. Don't worry, ang daming positions na mga ganda. Right? Dito kasi sa stock market, sabihin mo lang, kahit sabihin mo sa akin, ang tagal ng akyat ng Converge, Sir Lloyd, dati mo pa sinasabi na huwag mo nang pasukin yan. Right? Hindi marunong to mag-trade si Sir Lloyd kasi hindi niya nasakyan yung Converge. Trading doesn't work like that, right? Being a good trader doesn't work like that, right? Hindi mo kailangan sakyan. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi mo kailangan sakyan yung mga lumilipad para sabihin na magaling ka na trader, right? It doesn't work like that. Anyways. May naririnig akong umiiyak na aso eh. Anyways. Alex Lopez, $13 na profits kay Izanagi last Tuesday po nag-start. Last Tuesday lang. And then $13 kaagad. Congratulations, man. Anyways, daan ko kami mamaya sa Facebook ulit. Wilcon, marami na ipit. Buti nanood kayo ng Daily Grind at hindi kayo naipit. Luna, Sir Lloyd. Let's check out Luna. Luna USDT. Terra. Alright, Terra. Ito maganda. At least nag-breakout siya. Ours are still good for this one. I guess this is the bounce right here. After pullback, that's a green. Pwede nyo trade to. Use MA20 as your support. That's your main support right there. That's gonna be your best entry point. Some random in their internet. Hello po. Hindi ko pwede basahin yung pangalan mo, pre. So, Gigi Miares, good evening. Vincent Pascual, good evening. Lawrence Abad, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Idol Bugan. I love you. I love you too. Dice, Lloyd, check po ng technicals ni ECN Accenture if pwede pasukin. Thanks. Ito isa sa mga paboritong companies, Accenture. Has been doing well. Yun nga lang medyo topish na and nag-pullback na. Suma-sideways man resistance is right there. Let's see if mag-breakout na resistance yan. That will create a new high. Resistance is out there. Wala po lumabas, sabi ni Shelby. Resistance is right there. And then, let it break out. Pag nag-break out yan, that's gonna be your entry point for Accenture. Thank you so much for letting me know. Nanette Mill, good evening. Magandang gabi for Nanette. Happy birthday to you. Right? Vincent Pascual, shoutout kayo kay Nanette. Very avid follower of mine. Kung anong projects ko, very supportive yan. So thank you so much, Nanette. Happy birthday to you. God bless po. Vincent Pascual, sir, are you buying Axis? May I recommend my friend who's selling some Axis po to you. This is Vincent Pascual. Alright, meron akong manager kasi. Can you send me the name of the person? Sige, pwede natin kausapin. Hindi kasi basta-basta na bumibili ng Axis, right? Yung pinipili namin yung Axis para hindi naman mahirapan yung mga scholars. Kaya, meron kasi mga managers na tinitipid yung Axis, kahit ng pangit ng Axis, ipapascholar nila para maliit lang yung linagay nila na pera. Tapos, kasi si scholar naman mag-grind. Mahirap po mag-grind kung pangit ang Axis. So, it's gonna be very challenging for them. Pero kumikita pa rin. I don't wanna do that, right? Ayokong pahirapan yung mga scholars din. So, around magagandang Axis yung pinukunukuha natin. At least man hindi sa napakaganda na sobrang mahal. It's an average, above average yung mga Axis na binibili natin. So hopefully his Axis are good. So send me a message, right? Baka pwede tayong bigyan ng discount at maganda yung Axis niya. Cyro Rex, Delis na sir, Wilcon ang nakabili. Delisted na sir. Ayan, Wilcon ang nakabili. Delisted nga si FGen. Yes, Dice FGen will be removed from the index. Gigi Miares, FGen, meron tender offer from a Singapore investor, Sir Lloyd, tapos yung purchase nila all of the shares. I see. Annette Meal, Ian, very well. Hi, Sir Lloyd. AP, GME7, and Meg, sir, thanks. Let's check out AP. Si AP rin. I recommended AP on the bottom. Congratulations sa mga sukay nun. On a downtrend, stay away from it for now. Right? AP, stay away from it. Sabihin ko naman sa inyo yan kung pwede nang bilhin. Diba? Pero ngayon, it's on a downtrend. So, stay away from it lang muna. GMA7. Kumusta ba si GMA7? Nahit ba si GMA7? Yes, nahit din siya. That's the reason why I told you not to get in. At the very least, we have a support right here. Let it bounce before you wanna get in. Kung gusto niyo talaga i-trade this si GMA7. Megser, Mega World. Yan, sila Mega World, sila Macro Asia. I've been recommending them to buy at the support. Bodigahin nyo pa rin to. Nagpo-pullback right now. If ever you're gonna be lucky enough to be able to enter the support, that's a buy. Small Kids Blanco, good evening Sir Lloyd. Pa-check po ng Monde. Thanks. Alright, let's check out Monde. Nagbe-break na ng ME20. Lower highs right here. So, Monde is not a buy. Stay away from it. Jokat, you're welcome. Dai Sir Lloyd, around 900 USD. Di sa Izanagi, buti nakaabot pa si XM promo. Salamat sa advice. Dice, amazing man. Alright, congratulations. Warren Tumolva, good PM Sir Lloyd. I have XM account, $500, double last 30th September. I'll be joining Izanagi, just paying my VPS for bot. Congratulations. Thank you for joining Warren Tumolva. Izanagi is for free. Marami kayong naririnig na bot dyan, ganito ganyan. Yes, magandang performance kasi may bayad. Ito, tested to. Andyan sa video description yung pagtetest natin para makita nyo po yung algorithm. We did a back test with the previous 13 years. Even 15 years yung data natin available. Na-trade niya with the current system, even through the pandemic, even through the previous na sell-off ng mga markets, Izanagi has been doing well sa backtesting natin. So, it's already good. And libre pa. Right? Para po sa inyo yan. So, subukan nyo po si Izanagi. Alright, Melo 101, good evening. Dorian, Rahon, Megabi, Sir Lloyd, Alea, Oclarit, Tiralco? Clarito siguro, di ba? Ba't nyo iniiba yung pangalan nyo? Good evening, sir. Converge po. Anong nangyari? It's just too expensive, right? We were expecting the pullback noon pa. Vincent Pascual, okay, sir. Sige, thank you. You're welcome. Naneth Mil, thank you for your greetings. I will always be your supporter because you can be trusted and I believed in you. Thank you so much, Nanette. All right. Happy birthday once again. Hopefully, you had a beautiful day and a beautiful evening. Anyways, let's continue. Alright, so sino ba yung last ko nabasa? Alexis Lopez. Hindi si Alexis eh. Hindi rin naman si ano. Was it Ces? Yeah, Ces Navales. Afgen, Will Concert, thanks. Nabasa natin to. Axis po, pullback pa. Ramon Oriola, good evening Sir Lloyd. Pa-check po ng RRHI and Tech. Axis, USD. Grabe si Axie. It's been featured in Bloomberg already for an NFT game because of the success, di ba? And with it relisting sa anong broker nga ba yun? Was it Robinhood? This flew up right here. So congratulations kay Axis talaga. Well done for an NFT game. Being the number 1 NFT game right now. Sobrang ganda. Anyways, Axis still doing on a pullback. I can't recommend it anymore. Sobrang mahal na ni Axie, man. So, unless na magbe-breed kayo, that's worth it. Okay lang. Kasi pag nag-breed kayo, kailangan nyo bumili ng Axis and then pwede nyo naman ibenta kasi na mas mahal once maganda naman yung kuha ninyo. Diba? But if you're gonna be trading it, I don't recommend it up there. Sobrang mahal. Ramon Ariola, RRHI. Alright, RRHI, pullback. Pwede nyo pong gamitan ng Fibonacci ito. So, Fibonacci last retracements right here around since the market's not that strong, 56.15, baka dyan mag-bounce si RRHI. So, abangan nyo po dyan. That's basing on Fibonacci, right? I could be wrong. Tingnan nyo lang saan magbabounce. Maybe sa 0.5 or 0.618. Okay? Pwede po doon. Next for RRHI sa Tech, yung request ni Ramon Ariola. Tech naman, pag nag-green yan, that is gonna be a good buy for you guys. Trade nyo lang to. Cut loss lang below that, just in case mali. But this is already very cheap. So Tech is a buy when it goes green. Deljan Maumay, thank you for tagging your friends. Philip Nicoleta, sir, last Shiba po for crypto. Shiba Inu is already way up there, man. Stay away from it na muna. SHIB USDT. Way up there, right? if ever you're looking at it right now, that's because nainggit kayo. Hopefully, you outgrow that as you mature into the markets. Don't worry sa mga ganito. Kasi with your trading system, if you just follow your trading system that's already been tested, if meron na kayo nagawang trading system, if it's good, that will help you avoid this. Yes, nagliliparan yan, but okay lang. May panahon rin sa mga positions ko, di ba? Ganun na naman. Alexis Lopez, yan, $13 profit for Izanagi start last Tuesday. Hello po, Pingwaping. Hello po, Sir Lloyd. Pulahan ngayon. Planning to sell my share kay Ani and lipat ko lang sa iba. What do you think po, sir? Yes, I usually recommend that if ever the reason. Ganito kasi yan ha. I told you, maganda yung technical analysis niya, di ba? Support, RSI is right there, pero nagbe-break pa rin yung support niya because of this one right here. Okay? So, if ever the reason why why the asset drop is the performance, sell it. Right? If ever naman, ang rason bakit bumagsak ang presyo ng isang asset is just the market sentiments, bearish lang, may pandemic, pero the company's doing well. Pasensya na, nag-trip yung kuryente ko. So hopefully everything's okay. Anyways, baka maputol yung live natin, so I'm just telling you in advance kasi nag-trip yung nakita niyo yung camera na wala kanina. If the reason is maganda naman yung performance ng company, like AP, right? Aboitiz Power has been doing well. Pero yung market sentiments lang noon bumaba, 'di ba? That's why I recommended AP. Told you buy or bodegahin nyo. It's because market sentiments ang nagpababa sa kanila. The company is doing well. It's just that market sentiments is pulling it back. Pwede nyo ibodega yan, huwag nyo i-trade kasi mas malaki ang chances for it to go up. Kahit ibodega nyo yan, that's your drawdown. Just buy more. Once the reversal happens, you're gonna be in a very good position in that asset. This one right here, the reason why it dropped si Ani is because bad company performance. Cut loss. Strictly cut your losses. Alexis Lopez, Tuesday last week po, sir. Right, good to know. Bobby Shelby, wala po lumabas. Okay na to. Apple and FB, si Apple okay, si FB downtrend pa. MSFT. Junior, dinaanan ko. Oh, Microsoft. I told you guys, budigahin nyo na to. One of my favorite assets out there, kasama sila Google. Minsan lang mag-dip yan. So that was your opportunity right there for Microsoft. Kung nag-pull back and bounce, that's gonna be your entry point for Microsoft. Alright, Google naman, Google Alphabet. Alright, so Google is also a buy for me. Engulfing patterns right there. Actually, ito yung engulfing pattern, di ba? Hopefully, you've already watched my Bollinger Band video. Engulfing pattern, pullback, and then pag mag-support, which is right there, that's your buy point. That is a buy for Google. Budigahin nyo na po yan. Sir, magkano po ang kailangan para sa Axie? It's around 60,000 for you to start, right? Don't worry about ROI or anything kasi your funds naman is gonna be represented by an Axie. Para yung nag-invest kayo kay gold na physical, may makukuha kayong gold. Dito, kay Axie, I'm gonna be helping you. Ako na po mahahawak ng Axie. Should you wanna get out, yung monthly nakikitain niyo profit share, that's already your profit. Right? Profit niyo na yan. Hindi niyo na kailangan ng ROI or anything because andun naman yung Axie. Should you wanna get out, sabihin mo sa akin na, Sir Lloyd, kailangan ko yung pera, I need pwede naman natin ibenta ang Axie kaagad. Mabilis naman siya ibenta. Or ako mismo bibili sa inyo if you really need the money right away. So that's the reason why I love Axie. Kasi in demand naman yung mga Axie ngayon. And tsaka, that's the reason why I only buy good Axies. Right? Magaganda yung mga Axies natin. Right? Like this one right here. Maganda po yung Axie nito. Ang mga skills are the top ones. Hindi ako bibili ng basta-basta na Axie kasi mahirapan kasi yung ano natin, yung mga scholars natin if ever pangit. Basta-basta lang mga Axies na binibili natin. Right? So, ayan. This Axie is $345. Right? So, hindi yung cheap pipay na mga Axies ang binibili natin. So, around 60,000 pesos. Just let me know. Send me a message to Financial Freedom 101. Mike Eugenio, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Do you use futures and trading crypto? Hindi po. I don't trade crypto, right? I just hold crypto. I had to buy Ethereum for quite a while since I am into the NFT world already. So, I only hold. Okay? Hindi ako nag-futures. I don't trade it also. Kasi, still very volatile, right? Marami pa rin, especially ngayon, nangyari sa China na they made crypto illegal. That can be a blow. Buti na lang hindi. So, there's still so many things in crypto kasi na problema. Ay, okay lang naman sa akin na ma-miss ko majority. Ang ginawa ko lang is just hold on to Ethereum kasi gagamitin ko naman siya. So, yeah. Let's move forward. Norman Magat, MPI po coach. Thanks, MPI. Let's check out MPI. Kel Mike, hold pa rin po ba si ETH? We'll see. Alright, tingnan ko mamaya. Unahin muna natin si MPI. Tapos na yung downturn ni MPI. Right? Pag nag-green si MPI, or this creates support right here, that's gonna be your entry point for MPI. And then, bodegahin nyo. Just buy the supports right there. Ganda na support na yun kay MPI. Chart Fernandez. Ayun, nabasa natin. Jacqueline Villanueva. MM Sir Lloyd, thanks po. Alright, let's check out Mary Mart. Mary Mart, pa-downtrend pa. It's showing lower highs kasi. So, kind of bearish. I'll stay away from MM for now. Sir, hold po ba si ETH? ETH USD. Hirap sabihin eh, right? What is your purpose? If ever short-term trade lang naman ang purpose ninyo, the resistance is right here. So, I would say that's your sell level right there. Pero kung okay na yung profits niyo, you take some profits. Pwede niyo take profits yung iba. Kung malaki-laki na yung kita ninyo for Kelmike. Right? Let me go to YouTube once again. Baka may na-miss tayo. Ryan, Rahon, BSC po, sir. Let's check out BSC. BSC. Right, si BSC, bottom of BSC is right now, is right here, right? Nag-break ng support kanina. Tingnan lang muna natin, baka mag-green, that is gonna be your short-term trade. But if mid to long-term, this is the major support right here, pwede nyo bodegahin yan dyan for BSC. Naneth has a request. SMPH, right? SMPH, you bought at 32. I like to accumulate again. Is it a buy now? One of my favorite companies out there. SMPH, you bought at 32. Good entry right there. Higher, high. Definitely. So, pumupula siya ngayon na next pullback and bounce is gonna be a good time to buy once more. I would say yes. Okay pa to okay pa bodegahin sa SMPH. Very good company right here. Ryan, Raon, thank you, sir. You're welcome. You're welcome. Right? So, nabasa na natin lahat ng comments sa YouTube. Let me go back to Facebook. Yan. Kel Mike, tapos na yan. AP po, sir. AP is take profits na ito eh. Alright, it's on a downtrend. Stay away from it. PXP from Alvin Castillo. PXP. Alright, PXP. Pullback. Galing. We talked about PXP before. This is the buy. PXP pullback. Next bounce is gonna be your entry point. I like this better. Mas maganda to. CLI naman. Subulan Masters Incorporated. Supports for CLI. Major supports right here. Downtrend is already done. I would say bodegahin nyo to CLI. Good company right here. Okay na yan. LTG. Mukhang tapos na yung uptrend ni LTG. Alright. So, one of the reason why si LTG bumagsak is bad performance. Hindi ganong kagandaan na performance. Look at this second quarter, negative 318. Kaya bumagsak siya. Nag-rally siya konti with the help of technical analysis, pero yun yung sinabi ko sa inyo, may hirapan siya because of the performance. So it's on it broke MA20 right now. Tignan natin if ever mag-sideways trend siya. Tignan muna natin sa support. It's very volatile right now, so I'd rather stay away from it. That's for LTG. This is from Irene Suzuki. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Alright, so yeah, that's it for Facebook. Let me check YouTube. Baka may hamabol pa. Alright, okay. So again, I'm inviting you guys, if you want to sponsor a scholar, pwede po, ako ang magmamanage na lang para sa inyo. Para wala na sakit sa ulo. I already have a partner with me who is very knowledgeable when it comes to Axie. He's the one that's managing it. I am managing the finance side and the reporting side and keeping it organized. Siya naman po sa technical side. Ano kailangan i-check sa Axie? Paano ba mag-breed? Paano ba yung mga tao? Siya na magte-train ng mga tao. So, kami na po bahala dyan. Wala na sakit sa ulo sa inyo. If you wanna diversify into NFTs and Axie specifically, you can go through me. Send me a message on Financial Freedom 101. Bot trading natin, doing well. Hopefully, sabayan niyo po ako. Already almost 200% in just 10 months of performance. Yung Izanagi natin, best pa is this is for free. Wala kayong babayaran. Kung babayaran nyo lang dito is the VPS. Technically, yung computer na gagamitin pag-trade sa account ninyo. Kasi hindi nyo na kailangan mag-on ng computer. Di ba? So, yun lang. 500 a month. But the bot is for free. The service is for free. So, hopefully, right, mag-join kayo dito. If not yet, punta kayo sa video description. Check this bad boy out. Right? That's it for me this evening. Taka lang ha. Dice, nag-accept po ba kayo ng scholars how to apply or mag-endorse? Just have them send me a message sa Financial Freedom 101. Heads up lang, i-shortlist ko lang muna sila kasi meron na naka-priority na mga na mga tao, right? I know these people already. I trust them. Mas gusto ko kasi kung ganun, magsimula muna sa ganun. Na mga kakilala ko, malapit lang sa akin. Kasi mas makakausap ko if ever. Mahirap kasi, mahirap mag-manage ng access, especially kung hindi mo kilala, mahirap. Right? But yeah, send me a message. Have them send me a message in Financial Freedom 101 para i-shortlist natin once there is available already. BSC pa sir, from Chart Fernandez. Okay, we still have a little bit of time left. So habol na natin to. BSC, dinaanan na natin to eh. Right, BSC, baka mag-break na support. Let it bounce lang muna. Baka ito major support na ito sa kanya saluhin. Magpa-help to buy, pwede din po ba sa kanya? This is from Bobby Shelby, Axis. Yeah, I'll send me a message muna, Bobby Shelby, and then I'll introduce you to him so that he can help you, right? In looking for your Axis for yourself, right? Sure, right? That's it for me this evening. I'll see you again tomorrow. Yan, reminders natin, Izanagi is still for free. Valkyrie is still out there. May bayad yon around 700 a month, pero sobrang sulit ng bot na yon. Kung meron kayong mga larger amounts na gusto niyo na mas sure ang galaw, kasi si Izanagi very risky, so it depends. Kung gusto niyo na sure na galaw at lesser risk, go for Valkyrie. Gusto niyo nang kitaan kaagad, high risk, high reward, Izanagi is for free. If you wanna diversify into NFTs, let me know in Financial Freedom 101. I'll see you again tomorrow. Right? I'll see you tomorrow. It's gonna be a Friday, but tonight, it is already 9 o'clock. So that's all the time I have for this evening. Hopefully you enjoy the rest of the evening. Happy birthday once again to the net Lim. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Diba? Yun lang. As always, let's get rich together. Bye everyone.